Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec rear spare tire mounted bike rack that's been designed exclusively with the Jeep Wrangler in mind. Now that means it's going to be compatible with the 2018 and older Jeep Wrangler JKs, Jeep Wrangler TJs, Jeep Wrangler YJs, and really any Jeep vehicle with a rear mounted spare tire, in addition to some other vehicles with rear mounted spare tires as well. Now unfortunately it is not compatible with the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL because of course Jeep did decide to mount that backup camera through the center of the spare tire. Now of course one of the biggest advantages to using a spare tire mounted bike rack over some other different types of bike racks is of course you can install it on your Wrangler and it doesn't prohibit any access to the rear cargo area of your Jeep, whether it's unloaded or loaded with bikes. And that's a really great feature if you like to leave it installed all the time so that it's always ready and they're waiting for you to load up your bikes on your next adventure. Now it is packed with a ton of great features. As you can see here, it does feature folding arms that collapse nice and neatly down tight against the spare tire so that you can leave it installed on your Wrangler and you don't have to worry about running into those mounting arms when it's not in use. When it's time to load up your bikes, well, simply pull the pin, fold the arms into the upright position, reinstall the locking pin, and you're ready to load your bike onto the mounting cradle. Now as you can see, we have the spare tire bike rack installed on our oversized spare tire back here. We do include everything you need to get this installed on everything from a stock size spare tire all the way up to an oversized 12.5-inch wide tire. And installation is easy. You simply need to start by removing your spare tire from the back of your Wrangler and then choosing the correct length mounting tongue for your wheel and tire combination from the 4 that we include and getting that installed onto the mounting plate. Once that's assembled, you can go ahead and install that over the lug studs on the back of your spare tire carrier and then simply reinstall your wheel and tire over top of the mounting plate without the center cap installed, allowing that mounting tongue to protrude through the center of your spare wheel. Then you can go ahead and slide the bike rack over the mounting tongue, ensuring that it fully covers the safe mounting mark on that mounting tongue. Then install the curved washer onto the mounting knob and tighten the mounting knob down until tight. Then you can go ahead and lock it with one of the included locking keys. Now once you go ahead and lock down that mounting knob, it'll actually free spin, and that's going to prevent anyone from being able to steal the bike rack from the back of your vehicle. Now, in addition to some other great features here, as you can see, we've got 2 reflectors on the back of the mounting arms here to help make it more apparent to both pedestrians and other vehicles on the road. And because of their angled design, well, they work just as well in the upright position as they will when the arms are down in the folded position. It is designed to carry 2 bikes, featuring 4 padded cradles up top here to prevent any damage to your bike. When it's time to load up your bike, it's as simple as placing the bike into the cradles and then strapping it down with the included rubber mounting straps. Finally, there's also a locking loop welded to the bike rack down here on the bottom of the mounting arm, and that's there to allow you to feed the included safety strap through your bikes to keep them securely attached to the bike rack when you're headed down the road. Now you can also upgrade to an optional locking cable that'll provide a little more security for your bikes when you leave them on the back of your Wrangler. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or purchase the Quadratec spare tire mounted bike rack for your Jeep Wrangler, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the bike rack or how to get it installed on your Wrangler, you can leave those for us in the comments section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.